Welcome to Ask the Lawyer, International Edition, the radio show that brings you the latest trends in immigrating to the United States. Hosted by attorney Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This program is designed to provide valuable insights for those who wish to live, work, study, or invest in the U.S. Whether you're an international student seeking educational opportunities, an entertainer looking to break into the U.S. market, or a business owner wanting to expand your operations and tap into the vast U.S. economy, this show is for you. If you're an investor exploring options in the U.S. or someone with family or friends already living here, you won't want to miss the important information shared on Ask the Lawyer, International Edition. Each week, we dive into critical topics that help you navigate the complexities of U.S. immigration and business law. Special guests include experts in business development, elected officials supportive of immigration, business owners, and nonprofit leaders who provide real-world advice and guidance for those wanting to build a future in the U.S. The law firm of Figueroa and Associates was founded not only to serve our clients, but to contribute to the greater good. We understand the importance of helping individuals and businesses achieve their American dreams, and we are committed to providing the legal expertise and support needed to make that happen. So whether you're an entrepreneur looking to open a branch of your business in the U.S., an investor ready to explore opportunities, or someone hoping to migrate and build a new life in America, you should tune in and learn from this informative program. Ask the Lawyer. International Edition is your resource for understanding U.S. immigration trends, business opportunities, and legal strategies. Call now. For personalized legal advice, contact the experienced attorneys at Figueroa and Associates today. Our team is here to help you navigate the path to success in the U.S. Thank you for listening to Ask the Lawyer, International Edition with attorney Brian Figueroa. Visit us online at askthelawyer.us or call today to schedule your consultation.
Trump is citing an obscure report to push new immigration restrictions that could require tourists and business visitors to post a $5,000 to $15,000 visa bond. And if you are in the Caribbean with family in New York, remember, August is Make-A-Will Month, the perfect time to protect your loved ones, property, and secure your legal affairs. Mr. Figueroa?
Good day, good day, good day. My name is Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. One of the most interesting experiences as an attorney for 3 decades in New York City is when clients come in for a consultation and the client say to me, Mr. Figueroa, you the man, you're smart. You understand the law. You understand how to work with people in terms of getting information from them to do proper analysis. A lot of them say, boy, Mr. Figueroa, I went to this notary, some guy with a corner store, and I regret it. They sometimes say, I went to this lawyer, they charged me money, they didn't do the work. Or a lot of the things that you're telling me, Mr. Figueroa, they never asked me those questions. They never explained to me. And 9 out of the 10 times I asked them, did you went to a white person? And they say yes. And then I'm thinking in my brain, these black and brown people, they like to go to white people. But because somebody is white, as a lawyer, doesn't mean that they're smarter than a black or brown attorney. So sometimes the impact, obviously, not sometimes, a lot of times the impact with people who come to the office and they talk about their experiences, you think, well, how can I warn black people or brown people to choose an intelligent attorney. Look at his education. Look at how long the person is practicing law in any area of law necessary for you to get advice. These are the things that you take into consideration when you choose an attorney. Besides, obviously, me being a handsome man, 6 foot tall, well, that helps in obviously the courtroom, because when you're tall and you're handsome, people listen. But along with being tall and handsome, obviously, I am very intelligent and very experienced. I'm not being egotistical. I'm just telling you the facts of life. It is what it is. Mr. Figueroa, the law firm of Figueroa and Associates, you are getting the best. Obviously, coming along with the best is you got to pay your bills. Yeah, it's not a charity. Again, my name is Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. Whether it be an immigration matter, divorce matter, wills, trust and estate matter, bankruptcy matter. Today I did an article about signs that people have problems. And one of it is, are you making your car payments? So if you are listening to me out there and you're not making your car payments, you may need to do a Chapter 7 bankruptcy. And I'm very specific. I get to the point. I do the analysis. And the information as to what's happening in society and complicated non-legal issue where you need substantive knowledge in different areas that you're not a specialist in. I'm also what we call an AI technology specialized attorney. I could do research in any particular field that I'm not a pro in because I'm intelligent enough, because I have a background in accounting, economics, law, finance. I know how to create a prompt in ChatGPT like most engineers know, and I know how to get results. So what used to take a very long time, you could do in less time. And you could be a person that has a better knowledge than the accountant that you meet or the doctor that you meet, because a lot of them, they may not know what they're doing. Met with my doctor not too long ago and he made a mistake. One of the 3 or 4 doctors I met with. Didn't embarrass him in front of the other doctors. But I was thinking, what the F is wrong with this guy? Does he want to kill me? That's what technology is giving you now. AI technology, ChatGPT. And I would say to those of you who are listening to me, especially those who are parents or young people, get your act together and understand AI technology. Whoa. So when I meet with my clients, not only am I a learned attorney, not only am I trained in various areas, but I keep up with technology. So when you go to an attorney, doesn't matter what color, you better understand their knowledge, their experience, and whether or not that a attorney is really understanding modern technology. All of this, why? Because you want to be well served by someone intelligent that will solve your problem. And that is what I do as an attorney. You got questions, we got answers. That's part of what we say when we introduce the show. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share. You got questions, we got answers. And for us to understand the answers, we must speak with you. And if your lawyer or your doctor or whoever is not listening to you to do the proper diagnostics, then you got a problem. Obviously, attorneys like me are a premium, but our consultation fees are very reasonable. So even if you don't hire me because you can't afford me, at least you know what direction you need to go in. again, my name is Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa & Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. To make an appointment with the law firm Figueroa & Associates, visit our website at www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. Give us a call. We will solve your problems. And if you listen to this show in America, outside America, a telephone consultation can be done. The planet is getting smaller through technology and cost. We're going to be starting our show, Ask the Lawyer, in the country of Nigeria soon. We are trying to expand, obviously, to different areas of the world where people of New York City may have, come from in terms of coming to America. And unlike President Trump, I call him KKK Russian Trump for my own specific reasons and rationale and whatever, and everyone will get there sooner or later. Come to America. Immigrate to America. Get yourself here in America. You're from the Caribbean, Africa, Latin America. It is where white people want to be because they make money and they progress. Why should it be different for people of color? You come here, you make your money, you could stay, you could leave, you could do better for your children. Yeah, and your grandchildren, and your great-great-grandchildren. America belongs to God, and we are all God's children. Thank you for listening to Ask the Lawyer. Again, the number to call, the number to keep, the number to share, and be serious about that sharing your family here in New York City. Tell them come and talk to Mr. Figueroa now. The phone number, 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Our website, www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. Peace.
Hello, people out there. I'm Julian from St. Lucia, and I'm here in Mr. Figueroa's office. Mr. Figueroa represented me for past, 10 years. I was going through some removal proceeding, and I go to several lawyers. Some of them asked me to run away. Some of them said they cannot do anything for me. And my Consulate General, Jeremiah Hyacinth, he recommended me to Mr. Figueroa. And right now, I go through a lot with Mr. Figueroa. Mr. Figueroa is the only one that stands with me. And right now, I believe I'm the happiest man in this world right now with a 10-year green card. 10 years. And in the next 2.5 years, I'll be filing for my citizenship. And that's me, happiest man today. Thank you.
If your spouse has overstayed their visa and you want to help them obtain a green card, we can help. The process of adjusting status can be complex, especially if there was an overstay. But the law firm of Figueroa & Associates, located in Brooklyn, New York, has the experience and expertise to guide you through it. Our team of immigration lawyers will assist you every step of the way, from filing petitions to representing you at interviews. Schedule a consultation today at www.askthelawyer.us or call us at 855-768-8845. Get the right legal help when it matters most.
Hi, my name is Brian Anthony Figueroa, and you are listening to Ask the Lawyer with my father, Brian Figueroa.
I Our weekly immigration news roundup is brought to you by the law firm of Figueroa & Associates. For a consultation on any immigration or legal matter, please call 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845. For full stories and more immigration news, visit www.theimmigrantsjournal.com. That's www.theimmigrantsjournal.com.
Hello, my name is Mary Campbell, legal assistant at the law firm of Figueroa & Associates, and your presenter with this week's immigration news. New U.S. pilot program may require tourists and business visitors to post a visa bond of $5,000, $15,000. The U.S. Department of State has instituted a 12-month pilot program effective August 20, 2025, and running through August 5, 2026, aimed at reducing visa overstays by requiring certain B1/B2 visa applicants to post a refundable bond ranging from $5,000 to $15,000 at the discretion of the consular officer. Scope and applicability. This pilot applies exclusively to B1 business and B2 tourists visa applicants and does not extend to visas under F, M, J, H, O categories or participants in the Visa Waiver Program, ESTA. Nations eligible for inclusion are determined based on factors such as elevated overstay rates, inadequate vetting systems, or citizenship by investment programs lacking residency requirements. Initially, Malawi and Zambia are designated under the pilot, but the Department of State reserves the right to add additional countries with at least 15 days' notice. Bond mechanics. During the visa interview, a consular officer may determine that a bond is required. Applicants must thereafter submit Department of Homeland Security Form I-352 via pay.gov to effect payment. Amounts are flexible: $5,000, $10,000, or $15,000, reflecting the officer's assessment of overstay risk. Paying without direction from a consular officer does not obligate the U.S. government to issue a visa or refund the funds. The bond is refundable if the visa holder complies fully with visa terms, including timely departure or approved departure procedures. Non-compliance, including unauthorized stay extensions, changes in status, or overstays, may result in forfeiture of the bond. Travel restrictions and validity. Visas issued under the pilot will be single entry, valid only for 3 months from issuance. Entry and exit must occur at one of 3 designated airports: Boston Logan International, BOS, John F. Kennedy International, JFK, or Washington Dulles International, IAD. Upon admission, Customs and Border Protection, CBP, may limit the stay to a maximum of 30 days. Purpose and implications. The pilot is characterized as a diplomatic tool, encouraging foreign governments to enhance exit compliance and screening systems. Overstay data are drawn from the DHS Fiscal Year 2023 Overstay Report, excluding Canada, Mexico, and Visa Waiver Program countries, though narrowly scoped initially, with estimates suggesting possibly 2,000 travelers affected and $20 million in posted bonds. The program may expand, and the upfront bond cost could pose logistical and financial challenges for families or business travelers. Key takeaways for counsel and applicants. Advise clients to anticipate potential bond requirements if they are nationals of Malawi or Zambia, and possibly other countries with high overstay rates. Prepare for added processing time and financial outlay during the visa process. Ensure clients understand the conditional and refundable nature of the bond. Full compliance is essential for refund. Plan travel through approved ports, BOS, JFK, IAT, and structure business itineraries around a 30-day stay limit. Monitor the Department of State for updates on additional countries and procedural guidance to adapt swiftly.
Our weekly immigration news roundup is brought to you by the law firm of Figueroa & Associates. For a consultation on any immigration or legal matter, please call 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845. For full stories and more immigration news, visit www.theimmigrantsjournal.com. That's www.theimmigrantsjournal.com.
Estate planning is a necessity, not a luxury. Let the law firm of Figueroa & Associates help you protect your legacy, assets, and loved ones. Get estate planning consultation on wills, living trust and probate, power of attorney, health proxy, deed transfers, providing for special needs, disabled children and grandchildren, minimizing federal and state taxes. Call us right now at 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845. Or schedule an appointment at www.askthelawyer.us. That's www.askthelawyer.us.
Facing deportation due to overstaying your visa or immigration violations, you need the right legal team on your side. The law firm of Figueroa & Associates, located in Brooklyn, New York, specializes in deportation defense. Our experienced immigration attorneys can help you fight removal, apply for waivers, or seek asylum if needed. Don't face this alone. Let us help you protect your future. Schedule a consultation today at www.askthelawyer.us or call 855-768-8845. Figueroa & Associates, the help you need when it matters most.
Hi, my name is Brian Anthony Figueroa, and you are listening to Ask the Lawyer with my father, Brian Figueroa.
August is Make a Will Month. Time to protect your family and your legacy. August is Make a Will Month, a timely reminder of one of the most important steps you can take to protect your loved ones and preserve your legacy. Creating a will is not just for the wealthy or the elderly. It's a critical legal tool for adults of all ages and financial backgrounds. Whether you are starting a family, growing your assets, or planning for retirement, having a will ensures your wishes are respected and your loved ones are cared for when you're no longer here. Unfortunately, surveys show that more than 60% of Americans do not have a will. Many believe they are too young to need one, think it's too expensive, or simply avoid the topic because it feels uncomfortable. But the truth is, without a will, state laws, not you, will determine how your assets are distributed, who cares for your minor children, and how your affairs are handled. Why August matters for estate planning. Designating August as Make a Will Month helps raise awareness about the importance of estate planning. The goal is to encourage individuals and families to take proactive steps towards securing their future. This month is the perfect opportunity to learn about wills, start the conversation with loved ones, and get your legal documents in order. Estate planning is not a one-time task. It's an ongoing process. Life changes such as marriage, divorce, having children, buying property, or starting a business can all affect your estate plan. Make a Will Month serves as an annual reminder to review and update your documents so they reflect your current wishes. What happens if you die without a will? Dying without a will, known as dying intestate, can create unnecessary stress and conflict for your loved ones. In this situation, the state will distribute your assets according to intestacy laws, which may not align with your personal wishes. Without a will, the court decides guardianship for your minor children, which may not match your preference. Assets may go to relatives you never intended to benefit and exclude non-relatives you care about. Family disputes are more likely, which can lead to costly legal battles and strained relationships. Charitable gifts or special bequests won't be honored since there's no legal record of your intentions. A well-drafted will ensure your voice is heard, even when you're not there to speak for yourself. Key benefits of having a will. 1. Control over your assets. You decide who inherits your property, money, and belongings. 2. Protecting your children. You can name guardians to care for your minor children if something happens to you. 3. Minimizing family disputes. Clear instructions reduce confusion and conflict among loved ones. 4. Supporting charitable causes. You can leave gifts to charities and causes that matter to you. 5. Peace of mind. Knowing your affairs are in order brings comfort to you and your family. Steps to create or update your will. If you haven't made a will, or it's been years since you last updated it, Make a Will Month is the perfect time to take action. Here's how to get started. 1. List your assets and debts. Include real estate, bank accounts, investments, vehicles, personal items, and outstanding loans. 2. Choose your beneficiaries. Decide who will inherit specific assets or percentages of your estate. 3. Select an executor. This trusted person will manage your estate, pay debts, and distribute assets according to your wishes. 4. Name guardians for minor children. Choose individuals who share your values and parenting style. 5. Work with an experienced estate planning attorney. A legal professional ensures your will complies with state laws, is clearly worded, and avoids common mistakes. 6. Store your will safely. Keep the original in a secure location and inform your executor where to find it. Updating your will is just as important. Even if you already have a will, it's important to review it regularly, ideally every 1 to 3 years or after major life events. Updates may be needed if you've married, divorced, had children, moved to a new state, or acquired significant assets. Keeping your will current ensures it reflects your most recent wishes and circumstances. Why you shouldn't delay. Many people put off making a will because they think they have plenty of time. Unfortunately, life is unpredictable. Creating a will now is the best way to protect your family from unnecessary stress, legal costs, and uncertainty. The process is often faster and more affordable than people expect, and the peace of mind it provides is invaluable. Take action this August. Make a Will Month as your opportunity to take charge of your future. By creating or updating your will, you're giving your loved ones the gift of clarity, security, and peace of mind. Don't leave these critical decisions to the courts or burden your family with tough choices during an emotional time. Take the first step today. Contact an experienced estate planning attorney to draft or update your will. Protect your family. Protect your legacy. Make August the month you secure your future.
August is Make a Will Month, and there's no better time to protect your family and your legacy. Without a will, the state decides who gets what, who cares for your children, and how your assets are divided. Don't leave those decisions to chance. At Figaro & Associates, we make the process simple, affordable, and tailored to your needs. Give your loved ones the gift of clarity and peace of mind. Call 855-768-8845 or visit askthelawyer.us to schedule an appointment today. August is Make a Will Month. Secure your future now.
Do you have a legal issue, question, or concern? Turn to Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. You can also register for our paralegal program, get legal news, business consults, or other information on educational issues. Yes, ask the lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us.
This show is a production of IQ Inc. Marketing. If you would like to advertise your product or service on this show to the U.S. and Caribbean markets and through our multicultural publications in New York, please call 866-435-3286 or send an email to info@myiqinc.com.
Thank you for listening to Ask the Lawyer International Edition with attorney Brian Figaro of the law firm Figaro & Associates in New York. We hope you enjoyed the show, which featured immigration visitors visa, starting and doing business in New York, entertainment and business visas, religious visas, and much more. Whether you are outside the U.S. or have family in New York, the number to call, share, and keep is 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845. Please schedule a consultation with us at www.askthelawyer.us. That's www.askthelawyer.us. This is Ask the Lawyer, International Edition. You have questions? We've got the answers.